Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete folders like this, Windows, PT. These folders, I couldn't delete this folder after I upgraded my Windows, so you might you might get this folder and you won't be able to delete it. So I'm going to show you a quick way how to delete this folder. Okay, as you see, it will stuck here and you cannot delete it. Anyway, I'm gonna show you quick way how to do that. As you see, it's still there. Some files would be deleted. As you see the size. So okay, first run CMD as administrator like that, and we're gonna take the ownership of that folder. For mine it's C, so use this command C for my C drive, folder name like that. Wait for this to finish. After that, just gonna run this command to grant the full control to the folder, but let's just wait for this to finish first. After that, run this command. Then after this finish, just run this command to delete the folder. Okay, when you see this, that means the folder will delete it, as you see. Do it again. Okay, see you guys.